If you wanted to hang up a bag strap inside the Eclipse machine, we provide these magnetic hooks, and they're really convenient, so you can magnet those anywhere because the machine is made of steel. So I've taken a little bit of nylon thread here and cut that to size, and what I've done is I've just looped that round one of these hooks up here and place that through the strap like so, and just hang it up, and that way I can get a nice shape and hold up the strap where I want it to be. I'm just going to clear the area. I'm going to bring this door down because that contains a lot of my lighting, and I'm going to close her up, and now I can really see everything, get it all in focus. I like the shape there, and take my shot. So as you can see, it's really easy to use those magnetic hooks to hang up bag straps, things like that, anything you want to display in the machine that needs a bit of help and support.